Yeah, get on with it. Where's that report? I needed it yesterday. Is the system down?
Area on the disk, say 70,0. Now, to create your file, type log, L-O-G, space 70,0, then return. Now you're ready to name your file. You've up to 6 characters. That's fine. That falls well within the parameters. Type O-W-E-L-L and return. Excellent. Let's move on. We'll move on to dot commands.
Help.
Now it's time to interface with irregular font.
What if there was a software product that had such simple, basic commands you could learn it quickly all by yourself? And the product was as easy to use as it was quick to learn.
Equally well on other extraordinary fonts, such as Pica, Elite.
I thought for sure this is what I did yesterday. Oh, this isn't working at all. What am I doing wrong?
What if there was a product that really helped you when you needed help? What if there was a software product that could dramatically reduce the amount of paperwork on your desk?
Miss Jones, where's that report from Atlanta?
I gave it to you yesterday. It's on your desk.
What if you could have access to all the information you need without having to deal with all the paper? What if there was a software product that could meet the needs of all these people? A product that's easier to learn and use, can handle complex tasks, can reduce paperwork, and act as a desktop on your screen. Now, there is such a product. It's called Visi On. It's your window to a whole new world of information.
We're going to look at some of the key ways you and your people will use Visi On each day to make your work easier and more productive. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, but with a difference. You now have the power of Visi On, which can open any window of information with the press of a button.
So, today you're preparing the quarterly budget and report requested by the Vice President of Finance. You use the mouse, which is a pointing device you use with Visi On, to open the window you need. Moving the mouse causes the arrow on the screen to move directly to the desired location. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the command line for Visi On. The commands are in a standard format using plain English. You open your 3 spreadsheets, one for marketing, administration, and total budget. You can view them all at the same time and then call each one up, one at a time. There's been a change in marketing's March expenses. So you call that sheet up and make it full screen, just like taking it from the bottom of a stack of papers. As March's expenses are changed, notice how quickly the recalculation happens. Using full screen is not required, but is convenient when you're going to be working on a single task for any length of time. Let's bring marketing back to its original window size. Now you're ready to consolidate the budget. Let's bring budget to the top. Select transfer. Then marketing. Watch the prompt line as it guides you through the transferal of information. The data is moved quickly and easily without having to specify file names or do any typing at all. Now, let's clean up your desktop so you can plot your revised budget. Close the windows on marketing and administration and put them away. If you want to take a last look, open administration again. Notice that the size, position, and contents are the same as before. Now you can put it away, knowing that your work is fine. Notice that administration is remembered in the task list in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Now you're ready to plot your budget data. With Visi On, you can frame a window to any place and to any size on the screen. The reference rectangle you see on the screen is very helpful in this operation. But maybe you haven't used this application for a while. No problem. Just call for help. Help is always available for any application at any time, and it'll prompt you as you select what you need help in. Now you're looking for help with the plot option. If you want to browse through help or any of the Visi On applications, use scroll, using the scroll button on your mouse. You can scroll going slower or faster, up or down, or left or right. Help is a comprehensive network of cross-references through the system. This is important because you can seek help for anything in the system at any time. And the best thing is you can still be looking at the task you needed help with while the help window is open. As we said a moment ago, help is a cross-reference network in the system. So you can choose to see a more detailed reference of anything in help. In this case, you want more information on the build option, and then even more specifically, the chart option. And at any time, you can view the table of contents for help and see what other topics are available. You found what you needed, and now you're ready to continue writing your quarterly budget analysis. To continue, you'll update the plot. Watch the prompt line as it shows you what to do. All this is done by simply pointing with the mouse, and the plot is dynamically redrawn to reflect the new data. If, at any time, you want to view or change the parameters in an application, you can select options and browse to see what options are available. Before you close the analysis, you've decided to take one last look at all the alternatives open to you. As you look at your plot, you decide a comparison of totals between marketing and administration, and a graphic display would be helpful. But you're not sure whether a stacked bar chart or line plot will do the job better. So first, you'll draw a stacked bar. Now, you want to draw a line plot and compare them side by side. To do this, you can open up a new window and install a new application. In this case, you'll designate it as line plot. Then transfer the two totals, marketing and administration expenses. Now, you can select the marketing and administration expenses and build a line chart with both lines and symbols and draw it. Now you have both graphs side by side. You can see how information can be readily transferred and displayed in different ways. And with Visi On, you have the confidence of knowing that you can cancel an operation in progress at any time using the stop command. Now you can add your budget to a report you wrote earlier using the Visi On word processor. Now that your work is complete, you can save all your electronic paperwork just the way you left it. Just in case.
Visi On, the new generation of personal computer software. VisiCorp, the industry leader with proven software products. And unlike some software products, Visi On builds on its past. All of your existing Visi series files can be used with Visi On. So when you're ready to grow into Visi On and its more powerful versions of the VisiCorp product line, your work goes with you. And the same data, once it's a part of Visi On, can be run on any personal computer. The software is the common link. Because it will run on a wide variety of systems, Visi On will allow two different systems working side by side to exchange data. And soon, you'll be able to access other computer systems across the office and across the country through Visi On. Visi On simplifies your working life and makes you more productive. To explore this new world of productivity, just open a window.